Hello and welcome to this Reliable Controls RC-Webview training video. In this video, you'll learn how to use default events in an existing enterprise schedule. Enterprise schedules gather multiple BACnet schedules together in a single, easy-to-manage interface. Default events are the regular weekly schedule. We will cover special events in enterprise schedules in another video. To create a default event, the enterprise schedule has to be in edit mode. Change the schedule to edit mode by clicking the summary button. You can then add a new event to the schedule. Select the schedule level for the new event by clicking on the schedule name in the schedule tree. The name of the schedule being edited is displayed here. Add a new event by clicking and dragging on the schedule. When an event has been created, the Edit Event Details box opens in the schedule tree area. Adjust the duration of the event by clicking and dragging the top or the bottom of the event. The event displays the start and end times, making it easier to get the exact times you want. You can also reposition the event by dragging and dropping. You can also change the event by using the Edit Event Details box. The event type option is at the top of the Edit Event Details box. The event type can be either a special event or a default event. A default event allows you to set the default weekly schedule in each BACnet schedule selected in the enterprise schedule tree. A special event will create a special event in each BACnet schedule selected in the enterprise schedule tree. If the event type is set to default event, the Edit Event Details box will have slightly different options than a special event. You can create an easily identifiable name for the event using the title of the event. Under the title are the days of the week. You can select the days of the week you would like the default event to occur. I'll set it to weekdays for this event by clicking on each day to highlight it. If you click on an incorrect day, click on it again to unhighlight it. Under the days of operation are the start and end time boxes. You can see the start and end times of the event here. You can change the start and finish times by dragging the event around in the schedule window, but that will reset the info in the Edit Event Details box. The start and end times can be easily edited by entering the new times into the boxes. Enter the times in the 24-hour format. The value drop-down allows you to select whether the schedule will have a value of on or off. The key feature of an enterprise schedule is the ability to effect changes to all the schedules connected to the enterprise schedule. By clicking on the link under All Defaults Apply To, you can decide to which schedules the default event will apply. In the Event Applies To window, you can select the schedules to apply the default event by selecting or deselecting the individual schedules. By clicking on the label Deck 4, I can deselect all the individual schedules under that schedule. In the Applies To preview, you can see that the schedules under and including Deck 4 no longer have the default event applied to them. To use your changes, click on the Apply button at the top, or cancel by clicking on the X. Exclude from report is used to exclude schedule changes from the after hours report, and you may not see this option in your enterprise schedule event editor. We'll be talking more about after hours requests in another video. When the default event is correctly configured, click on Create at the bottom of the Edit Event Details box. Enter a reason into the audit log if requested. With this completed, you can click the Edit button to switch the schedule to summary mode to finish editing the schedule. We can review the changes and see the default schedule applies to every schedule in the enterprise except the schedules under and including Deck 4. To edit a default weekly event, switch to Edit mode and select the schedule level to which you want to make the changes. Click on the event you wish to change. The Edit Event Details box will show the current configuration of the event. Using the start and end time boxes, you can change the start and end times. You can also switch the value of the event from on to off. Changes to the start and end time can be made by clicking and dragging the event in the schedule window. When you have made the changes to the event, click on the Update button to save. You can only make changes to one event at a time. Enter a reason into the audit log if requested. If you need to delete a day, you can click on the event to highlight it and delete it. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you found this video helpful by clicking the thumbs up. You can send additional comments if you like. Close the feedback window to return here and to launch the next video.